So this is video 799 and this shows you how to start off or basic use of the machine. So first thing you need to do is turn the machine on. There's a switch on the side and turn it to reg, and here we can see that it's loaded the software and it's ready to go. Date and time is displayed, however it may be different depending on the settings that you've got set on your individual machine. So to use the machine couldn't be simpler. For example, the machine knows it's in the UK, so the decimal place is already in the right position. So if we have an item sale for £1.99, we simply press 199, and then we press one of the categories. And these are designed so that you put similar items. So for example, Department 1 could be programmed with canned drinks. So we'd simply put that into canned drinks, and then if you had another item that was £3.99, you can put it into Department 3, which could be groceries, £7.99, could be household, and you can set these up to however you want them to be. So these work like ad buttons, but at the end of the day, it allows you to see which one of these categories is sold the most. So once you're happy with the 3 items or as many items as the customer has got, you simply press the subtotal button, and here will display the total of the 3 items that you've got. You can then ask for the money. You simply enter, if they give you £15 in cash, 1500, £15, and they're giving it in cash. So if you press the cash total, here you can see that the change has been displayed correctly. The receipt has been printed off, which you can have either set so that it prints off each time or as and when you want it. And although we're not showing this for these videos for the ability to be able to do close-ups, the drawer would have now opened. If the same process applies for whether pay by card or cheque or whatever you want it to be, so you simply put the same items through, and then rather than pressing the cash button, there's a card button here, and again that will take the payment and it will add it to the card total for the reports at the end of the day. So at the end of the day you will know how many items you've done and the total amount into each of these categories, and also as well, once they've done that, how they've paid for it, so it's been cash, card, cheque, however. Thank you for watching this video.